All right.
All right.
Go ahead.
Hey guys, Steve and Michelle here at Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. Steve, what are we looking at today?
Michelle, today we're going to shoot the CZ P-07.
Okay. Tell me more about it, Steve.
Whoa. We're not here to fucking ad lib.
Steve.
Wow. This particular firearm has a black polymer frame with stippled grips. The barrel is hammer forged at 3.75 inches. The length of the gun overall is 7.2 inches, height at 5.3 inches, and weight at 27.7 ounces. This gun is also equipped with a 3-dot sight, an ambidextrous decocker, and manual safety. Capacity is 16. Your MSRP is going to be right at $510, and locally you should be able to find it probably in just at like the mid 4s to upper 4s.
Michelle, how'd you feel?
I feel like I shot like crap. It was okay. It probably wasn't my favorite thing that I've ever shot. I think it's a little light.
A little light?
Yeah, I like them a little bit heavier.
Okay.
Yep.
So, again, for those of you that have not seen Michelle in a video before, because she is very new at this, Michelle is a reasonably inexperienced shooter, and she's not had lessons yet. She has done some shooting in the military and continues to do some shooting in the military.
Mostly with long guns.
Mostly with long guns. So, and for those of you that are unaware of how these particular videos work, we are here to bring you an opinion of someone who's a beginner and someone who is maybe perhaps a little more experienced. What are your thoughts on the gun? Of course, we give this a 1 to 4 or 1 to 5 rating, 1 being the worst, 5 being the best. How are you going to rate this for price of the gun versus how it shoots?
I would give it a 3. It didn't have a lot of recoil, so I liked that, but overall it probably isn't my favorite.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to tell you. I really don't want to like CZs, and the reason I don't want to like them is I don't like how little of a slide they have, and so it's hard to grip. And so it's very hard to, if you have a malfunction, it's hard to clear it. They're not as easy to chamber because there's not as much meat up there. But at the same time, I think that's part of what makes them shoot really well because they have a low bore axis, which means it's very manageable. Your grip is up high on the firearm, so they're easy to control, easy to get follow-up shots. The sights stay aligned easier. And in this particular case, it also shot really accurately. So, although I don't like the design as far as like how small the slide is, I have to give it a 4. I mean, I can't argue with the fact that they do shoot well.
Is that small slide what gave me a hard time handling it when I first...
That's exactly what
okay.
Yes. So you're not the only person that has that. We see it all the time in the shop where somebody's trying to pull that slide and their hand slips off of it,
Yep.
things of that nature. I can only imagine how that would be magnified if we were in a situation where we were nervous, our palms are sweaty.
Knees weak, arms are heavy, there's vomit on his sweater already, mom's spaghetti.
And we have a malfunction and we're trying to grip it to pull it back. So for that reason, I'm not a huge CZ fan, but the fact of the matter is, if you don't have a malfunction, they shoot really well.
All right.
So I'm gonna give it a 4. If these folks would like to see a little more of some of these videos, and or if they would like to see more of you making fun of me in videos, what can they do?
Or me getting much better at shooting than this mess that I just did.
Absolutely.
All right. What you can do, there's a little bell at the bottom. Just hit it, and it'll notify you when there's another video.
All right, guys. As always, thanks. We will talk to you soon. Take care.
Ring, 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 ring.
It's reminding me to feed the dogs.
Good.